So hello guys, in this video we are going to learn about the Git Rebase and Git Cherry Pick command. As in my previous video which I have uploaded, I am not able to tell you about the Git Cherry Pick and Git Rebase command as it takes very much time to understand these commands. The Git Rebase command is a very powerful command. This command has the power to remove any unwanted commit, and it also has power to fix any mistake occurred in the previous commit. This command can take an hour to understand, as I told you previously. And Git cherry pick is a special feature of a Git that it can help you to pick any specific feature from any other's repository to your own repository or the source code. So let's begin. And in my previous video, I was also not able to tell you about the GitHub UI, how it looks, and where are the tokens and keys to push and pull any repository. So let's move to the browser and check out the GitHub UI. So here is my profile. So first of all, this is the overview tab. If we tap here, or if we simply tap on the GitHub logo, this is the first page which you will see. On the left side, you will have your repositories as a shortcut, and on the top right corner, you will see your profile photo, by which on tapping on that, you will see so many options: your profile, your repository, your projects, your code spaces, your organizations. So I will tap on my your profile. So as you can see, this is my profile. So now here is the repository section. Here are all my repositories. So to push or pull any commit in the repository, you need a GitHub token. Earlier, it was done using the user ID and password, but after 2022, I think they implemented the token method to push in the repositories. So to generate the token, let's head to the settings. In the settings, you can see, I think, developer settings or developer options. Yeah, here it is, developer settings. After heading to the developer settings, here is the personal access token. Select that. Now select tokens classic. Now I have already generated that. So to generate, you have to just click on a green button, generate token, then select all the options and click on generate and set expiry as no expiration or as you wish. That expiration defines that that token will expire after some time, then you have to regenerate that token again with a new expiration date. And make sure that you copy your GitHub token because it will only show at the time of generation. After that, it will not show you. So now let's move to the Git Rebase topic. So I will use my previous earlier repository, test repository, to demonstrate you Git Rebase command, how it works and how much powerful it is. So there are some cases in Git Rebase command. Suppose if you have committed and you want to make a change in that repository in your source code now, and you don't want to create any new commit. Okay, you don't want to create any new commit, and still you want that change to be shown in that repository in that commit message. So how to do that? At this time, the Git rebase works very efficiently. So let me create a series of commits. Now, I have added some few new commits to explain you better that how Git rebase works. So let me show you. See, I have just committed these three commits. So suppose I have to add a new commit. Sorry, I have to add a new line in this file, and I don't want to commit it as a new. Instead, I want that change to be shown here in this same commit name, like explaining Git rebase. In this commit name, I want that new code to be shown without committing new. So let me explain you how does the rebase works here, how handy it is. So as you can see, three commits are there from the top. So our head of this repository will be at adding code.cpp commit. So means to get that exact commit to where we have to add that code, we need to count that much number of commits. So here it is total number of the commits is 3. 1, 2, and 3. So we need to take head as 3. So let me explain you how to do it. So type git rebase hyphen I head tilde sign 3. Now what this command will do that it will take all the top 3 commits and it will show you as an option that which commit we need to edit. Okay, enter. Now the nano editor has been opened. Now you can see all those 3 commits are being shown here. Adding code CPP, Git Rebase, explain and explaining Git Rebase. See all these 3 commits. So I need to edit this commit and add a new text or any sample text to explain you. So as you can see, the commands are also given here. Pick means use this commit, reword means use commit but edit the commit message. Edit means change the commit files and then commit it. So we will use it as edit. So change pick word to the edit word. And now save this nano editor and exit. To save, press Ctrl O, enter button and Ctrl X. Now as you can see, Git Rebase has been stopped because we have changed the pick commit to the edit. So now we need to make the changes to the existing file and then git commit amend and then we will do git rebase continue to show that change in our the existing commit. Then we will push it to the repository. So suppose what was the change here? Explaining Git Rebase hi dot text nano hi dot txt. Now I will add one more line for a sample text control O control X. Now we will add this file and git commit amend git add hyphen a git commit hyphen amend. See, now we can see here that we are not committing new. Instead, it has opened the old commit message to commit the our latest changes. So now we will commit it and go back. Control O, Control X. Now see, it has been committed. Now we will do git rebase continue. Git rebase hyphen continue. Now see, it is showing successfully rebased updated refs heads test. Test is the branch here. Now I will push it to the repository git push hyphen F. Now see, it has been pushed to the repository. Let's check there. Now refresh the tab. Let's see. See, it is showing committed now and no new additional commit has been done. Instead, it is showing committed now 1 minute ago. Now let me check explaining git rebase commit that what's there. Now see, earlier it was showing. Today I am explaining you the git command and now it is showing the extra text or the code which I have added in the same commit message. This is how in this case git rebase works. See, it is very handy. Now another case, if you think that you have done a wrong commit and you have to remove that, in that case also git rebase helps you to do that. Okay, so now let me show you that how to do that. Suppose I need to remove this changes commit without resetting the whole repository commits. So how to do that? In that case also git rebase is very handy. So let me show you how to do that. So in this case, now your heads will be counted as 4 because you will taking the commit till changes and it is positioned at the 4th number from the top. So let's do it. Now git rebase -I head tilt 4. See, now again that commit message, all the commits are showing up. Now, so to remove that commit, what we will do, just simply delete the changes commit like this. Done. Now that commit is being removed. Now you just need to save this Git Rebase terminal and go back. To save, as I told you earlier, Control O, enter Control X, Control O, enter Control X. Now see, here is another conflict. Resolving conflict is also important part in Git Rebase. Now to check where the conflict is coming in the file, you need to check by typing git status. Now git status. Okay. So in git status, it is showing deleted by us hi.txt. Okay. So we will do git rm hi.txt. Okay. Now txt hi.txt has been removed. Now we will again git add and git rebase hyphen continue to check whether the rebase has been fixed or not. Now see, it is showing git rebased and updated successfully. Now just do git push -f. Now let's check. See, those two commits have been gone. Like explaining git rebase commit and the changes commit have been gone. Why? Why the additional commit has gone? Because I have made the change explaining the git rebase commit in the same file hi.txt where from it is generated. It was generated from the changes commit. I have created that file in the changes commit and later on I edited in that and committed it with explaining git rebase commit. That's why these two commits just removed from here. So this was the second case. So now a final case is left, I think. Let me remind myself. Now a final case. Let's discuss about the Git rebase. Suppose if you wished to merge these two commits, how will you do it? It is also possible through Git rebase. Okay, so how to do that? In that case, what Git will do that it will shift this file text.txt to this commit name along with the code.cvp commit. Okay. Later on, we can also edit this commit message. That can also be done through Git rebase. I will explain you this after this merging these commits. So to learn this, by the way, merging these two commits is called squash process in Git. So how to do that? Let's head on to the terminal. So now again, as we can see, there are two commits which we need to squash. So the head will be 2. So again, we will use head as 2. Git rebase -I head 2. Okay. So now instead of edit, what we will do here? So we need to merge two commits. So we will keep one commit as it is, means the top commit as the pick commit, and the second commit we will change pick to squash. We can see here the third option. No, sorry, fourth option is squash. We will write squash instead of pick. Now save and exit this terminal. Okay, now as you can see, a new commit message terminal has been opened. Okay, so now it is asking you to commit this or generate a new commit name. So I will prefer to generate a new commit name that it is a squashed commit for the explanation. Else it will just use the first commit message git rebase explain under the same commit. I will use new message. This is a squashed commit. Save it and exit. See, it has been showing that successfully rebased and updated. Now let me push it, git push -f. See, see, it has been merged into one commit and the commit name has also been changed. So it's showing squashed. This is a squash commit and those other two commit names are showing below that. And what here happened? I have told you earlier that the text file will also shift in the CPP code along with the CPP code file under a new name or the earlier name if I would have not used this commit name. Okay, so this is how squash works and git rebase works. There is another use also of git rebase. Suppose if you need to edit this commit message, in that case also git rebase is helpful. Let me show you that. Where is the terminal? So now in this case, here the head is 1. So what we will do here, we will take head simply as 1. So we will again type git rebase -I head tilt 1. So to commit the, sorry, to edit the commit message, we will again change the pick to edit and save and exit. Now to change the commit message, just type git commit -amend command. It will allow you to change the commit message. See, it is showing squashed. I will just simply edit something like here. This is a squashed commit and for the explanation of the video. Okay, I changed the commit message. Control U and Control X. See, now I will do git rebase -continue. Now see the rebase has been successfully done. Now I will push it to the repository. See, it has been pushed. See, the commit message has been changed. This is a squash commit for the explanation of the video. Under that, the content will be same. We just rename the commit. Okay. There is another big use of Git Rebase that suppose we need to commit a file on a specific day and time. We can do that also through Git Rebase commands. So you are thinking, so you are now seeing that how much powerful a Git Rebase command is. It can do several things. Suppose we need to commit it on 4th April 2023. So we will commit today on 23rd of June, but it will show you on the 4th of April. We can do this also. This is I need to tell you that we can manipulate the date and time also through Git Rebase to get that commit to be committed on that previous date. Okay, so let me show you how to do that. Yeah, to do this, we will again do the Git Rebase using heads, and again we will do git commit amend, but this time we will add a new a new command also along with the amend that is date. In this date we can set our specific date and time, and then we are good to go. So I need to change it to the 2023 Yeah, so we were discussing about how to change the specific date also of the commit. Okay, so we can see that I have changed it to the April 23, 2023 and day as a Sunday. So now let's change it. Git rebase hyphen I head 1. Edit, save and exit. Now copy and paste it exactly. Copy, paste. Now git rebase hyphen continue. Now do git push hyphen F. Now see, it is showing committed now, but if we check the date, it will show there on 23rd April, 23rd April, 24th, 23rd. See, earlier it was showing zero contribution on this day, but now after committing, it is showing one contribution on Sunday, April 23. It is because we changed the date of this commit, which we just now committed. Okay, so this is how Git Rebase works. I have explained you all the scenarios where Git Rebase can be useful to you. So now we will talk about Git Cherry Pick. Git Cherry Pick, as I have told you earlier, it is used to pick any specific feature from any other repository to your own repository. Okay, so now let me find my something in my own repositories. Like, let me take this HLS and repos repository. Yeah. Now suppose I need to add this file to the test repository. Let's check. Here's my test repository. I'm showing you side by side. So I'm showing you now side by side. Here's my test repository and here is my other halls and repos repository. So suppose I need to add this file to this repository. How will you do that? Firstly, you will download this repository, then again open that folder, then copy this file and move it to here. That is very bad way of doing this. In this case, Git cherry pick works very efficiently. So how to do that? Let me explain you. The command is, let me type here, git remote add branch and repo link, then git fetch branch, then git cherry pick hash code, then git push hyphen f. These four commands are needed. First, we will do git remote add branch and repository link. So here's the repository link and here is the branch name as main. So what we will do, git remote add main link, enter. Now next command was that git fetch. Now we need to fetch that current branch. Git fetch main. Now main branch is fetched in this current repository. Now we will get cherry pick with the hash code. Now how to get that hash code? Let me tell you. See commit history. Now see that was add files via upload commit name, I guess. Yes. Yes. So you are saying this view commit details. This ID is called hash code. Simply just copy this. Now type the command git cherry pick and that hash code. Then press enter. See, that feature or the file has been successfully come in our current repository. Now we just need to push it to our own repository. To push the same command git push -f. See, it has been successfully cherry picked to our repository. Let me show you. See, that file came to this current repository with the same commit name which was present there. Add files via upload. See, add files via upload. See, that file is showing here and has been successfully picked to this repository. Okay, this was all about Git cherry pick and Git rebase. Yeah, one more thing. I need to tell you that let me show you. Actually, I forgot to tell you one thing and I was wrapping up the video. No problem. See, one more important point of the cherry pick is that like in this repository, I have cherry picked this commit from any other repository. So as you can see, another author is being shown up here whose name is jprimero15 authored and here's my username committed on March 5th. So what does it mean that jprimero15 is the author for this commit? It means that he did this commit originally and I am using his commit or the code in my repository. So we should author him respectfully that he is the original committer and we are just using it. That's why here it is written J Primero15 authored and I committed on March 5th. So how to add this author? It can also be done through rebase or git commit amend command. So to find the author email ID and username, we need to use the patch command. So just click on the URL box and at the end of the link type .patch. It will give you the user ID and user email. Just use this. See from jprimero15 to this. Now let me show you how to add an author to the commit. Now see. For that also we will use git rebase command. So type git rebase -i head 1. Now again change pick to edit. edit. Now to add author, again type git commit amend command, but with something new additional command also. Git commit -amend -author semicolon, sorry, inverted commas. Now copy this username and email address here and inverted commas close. Now what it will do, this command will add jprimero as an author and I will be the committer. Now again git rebase -continue. Now git push -f. Now let's check. See, now it is showing J Primero authored and I committed. See, now it is a good commit. This is called giving authorship to a specific commit for its original content. See, J Primero 15 authored and I committed 1 minute ago. So this was all about Git Rebase and Git Cherry Pick. Hope you have learned something from me and I was able to deliver my content to you. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel also. Thank you very much.